Okay, I will see what I can do from my end. Um, can you try that, honey? Yeah, because I don't want to. Yeah, because I don't want to lose those who are in it already. Yeah. Um, let me see if I can. I'll try to send the link again. Oh, it's loading now. Oh, nice one. Hey, I'll try your hair. Okay. All right, I can see that some of you are in it already. Okay, sorry. If I don't do what she says, and she's gonna throw a fit, and then that will be a bigger concern, right? So, pardon me. She wants her hair tied. Okay, there you go, honey. Mommy's working. All right. Whew, the joy of working from home. You don't see yourself. All right. I will refresh, Giovanni. Let me see. Um, hopefully this will work. Bless you. Nope. I'm gonna resend the link, Giovanni, and see what happens. Um, that's just no, but that's not for one period, honey. So don't freak out. You're good. Yeah. So we'll do what we can do today. Just start with slide one so we can do it in order. Um, Giovanni, can we try this link again? I I don't know why it didn't let you try what Erlinda did. You really reloaded it and it worked. Okay. But if it still doesn't work, I will be showing the slides also. Okay. So on the first slide, it's just asking you to move the dot to a point that's greater than 8. Move the dot to a point that's greater than 8. Okay. All right. Nice. And every time your dots move, you know, that's the closest thing to classroom experience that I can think of. Like I can see you, I can, you know, say your name and I see what you're typing. It's still not working. Oh yes, honey. Definitely. Mhm. Definitely. Okay. So pretty much what they're doing on the first slide is they're graphing. If I may borrow George's screen. Okay. Hi, George. Sorry, yours was the first one. So can I borrow it and show the rest? Okay. Yeah. So what George did is um, you drag the point. Thanks, George. Um, you drag the dot to a number that's greater than 8. And um, George, where did you put your number? Let me zoom in so I can see. Okay. Have you moved your dot, George? You are at 8. So you got to move it farther to the right. Maybe on 9 or 10 or at 8.5 or 8.2. Wait, okay. So let's look at Enriquez. Ooh, Enriquez is at 14. Yay, that's good, Enrique. Yep, that's bigger than 8. Awesome. And George, Olivas is at 20. There you go. 20. Mine says, whoa, that's exponential already. Nice one, Leia, but definitely that's bigger than 8. Uh huh. Okay. Nice. Um, how do I move the mouse? Um, in which slide, honey? Or the dot? Oh, like put your cursor on it and click it and then move it. So I'm gonna use Brandon's. So on Brandon's screen, like I just put my mouse on it, click it and hold it, and then I just move it. Sorry, Brandon, I move your dot, but I'm gonna put it back. There you go. All right. Okay. Now sometimes if the screen freezes, then that's when it seems like it doesn't work. Ooh, you guys are on slide 9. All right. Awesome. Hey, you're smarter than I am. Come on, you're faster than I am. All right, cool. That's fine. I can take that. I like that actually. Go beat Miss Arciaga. That's the theme. Come on. Yep. Be smarter than the teacher, but don't be like the negative kind of, you know. Yeah. All right. Okay, in slide 2, if I could show you that for those who are doing this on paper, you have to check your answer. So for a number greater than 8, you don't have to copy anything down for this if you're doing it on paper because it's just the same as the first slide, but it's just correcting their answers. Chances are your number would be in the green shaded region, which is to the right of 8. That's good. And you can, if you're watching on screen, you can see how your classmates explained it and why 8 is not shaded. There you go. All right. Okay. So it's not shaded because it's not equal to 8. Uh-huh. Hi, Ruby. Good morning. Where's Esmeralda? Is she joining you today? Okay. Um,
What?
where's Esmeralda? Is she joining us today?
She went to the doctor.
Oh, okay. I hope she feels better, honey. Okay. But nice to have you, my dear. Nice to have you. All right. Um, Now let's move on to slide 3. So slide 3 explains and shows to you how you're going to shade on the graph. Okay, so if there is an equal sign, it's kind of selfish. You have to shade it in. You have to shade the circle. There you go. But if there's no equal sign, you have to leave the circle open because 8 is not included. Mm-hmm. All right. Number 4, you don't have to copy or draw anything for number 3. It's just like telling you something. For number 4, you have to find numbers that are smaller than 6. Smaller than 6. And if I may borrow Henry's, drag the point to a number less than 6. And Henry went to negative 12. That's great, Henry. Awesome. All right. Okay, let me check Kimberly's. Ooh, that's a good one, Kimberly. So Kimberly did not go on an exact tick mark. She went in between. So that's negative 11, or maybe it could be negative 11.2. Nice one, Kimberly. All right. Okay. Kevin, let's look at Kevin's. Ooh, Kevin is at negative 6, so he went to the opposite on the number line. That's awesome. Okay, next, let's go to number 5. And number 5 again, Enrique said, it's not shaded because it should have said any number 6 and under. Oh, that's the nice way to put it, Enrique, if it's, including 6. So it should say 6 and under, but it just said to the left of 6. Okay, nice. Ava said 6 is equal to 6, but not less than. That's awesome. You guys are doing great. Leia said if the circle was filled in, then the less than sign would have a line underneath. Good. And Justin wrote it said to pick a number less than 6. Nice one, guys. Nice one. Okay. While I was doing that, I was imagining myself walking around the classroom looking at your work on paper, right? What time does class end? 11, 10, 15, 11:15. Yeah. But I'll let you go like 5 minutes early because you have to do one discussion, right? And Schoology. Okay. So Louise, remind me when it's 11:10. Thank you. Number 7, is Jenny's graph correct? Ooh, let's see. I'm gonna check on the answer key and see what happens. Ooh, so 7 students got it right. 7 students got it right. So Jenny's graph is incorrect. Incorrect because of the circle. Wait, what do we have to do? No, no, honey, no. So it would be nice if you can probably finish until slide 12. Yeah, for now, and then we'll continue again later. Yeah. Uh huh. I just got carried away when I did this. There's a lot, huh? But that's some of those I will be using to explaining your project. So definitely not. Okay. It's okay, Christian. No worries. Better ask than like you're guessing, second guessing yourself. Okay, here we go. Slide 8. In slide 8, it just explains that you can click on the circle. Okay, click on the circle to figure out where you're shading. Yeah, well, definitely this wouldn't be a problem if we are doing it on paper, right? So, yeah, so just click on the circle if you're shading greater than or equal to or less than or equal to. Okay, all right. So how do we graph x is greater than or equal to 10? X is greater than or equal to 10. George, Fascus, you want to try that one? Let me see Ava's. Or Ava, I'm sorry. Okay, greater than or equal to 10. Good job. Very good, Ava. So you put the circle at 10, you shaded it in, and then you went to the right. That's very good. And I want to give you like a little shortcut if you guys are confused with how to shade. If the alligator or the symbol is opening to the variable, if it's eating your variable, okay, just like in Ava's slide right now, then you go to the right. You shade right. So if it's eating the variable, shade right. If it's pointing to the variable, then you shade left. Okay, let me say that again. If it's eating the variable, right. Pointing to the variable left. Okay, nice one, Ava. Thank you for showing that graph right there. Next, 10. For your graph, would 37 be a solution? And 37 was chosen by, okay, Enrique chose yes. Now, Justin and Ava also chose it is a solution. So we'll see. And the answer is yes, you are right. Because it's greater than 10. That's awesome. Okay, very good. Mm-hmm. Okay, all right. Giovanni, am I going too fast? because I know like you couldn't log into this one. But if you guys are watching the screen, let me know if I'm too fast, okay? Let me know. Yeah. I'll probably figure out a way also if I can like send this to you as a PDF so you can just view it and do it on paper. I'll try to figure out something. For slide 6, um, no, if it says learn where to shade, if it doesn't have a response box, just leave it. You don't have to write anything down. Okay. We have last 1 minute, so um, let's just finish 11, slide 11. Okay. Graph x is less than -7. And this is what I mentioned earlier. If it's pointing to the variable, go left. Pointing to the variable, go left. So you put the circle at whatever number you see, which is -7, right? Okay, so put the circle at -7. Don't shade because there's no equal sign. And since it's pointing to the variable, you have to go left. You have to go left. There you go. I can see you guys are moving your circles to that spot already. Nice. Okay, so as promised, I will let you go 5 minutes early because you have to finish that little discussion part in Schoology. You just have to write a sentence or two. Don't write a paragraph, okay? Don't write a paragraph. I mean, even I don't have time to like read 100 paragraphs. So, and for those who were not able to log in, um, just watch out for a text message. Hopefully, I can figure one out by today. I'll ask around. I'll ask other teachers who are also using Desmos and figure out how I can send you a copy if it's not letting you do it. Do we have to finish the lesson on your own, on our own? This one? Actually, I plan to go back to it next week. Yeah, because I'm also going to. Yes, we will do it on Tuesday. Uh huh. If you get bored, that's okay. But you know what? Give yourself a break. Come on, be nice to yourself. You owe yourself that. Do we? Oh, Brandon, what discussion? Oh, sorry, Brandon. I'm gonna go there now so I can show you. So click on chapter 2 folder again, Brandon, and there's this 2.1, and it has a discussion icon. There you go. So that's the only one I'm gonna require you to do today, and I promise I'm gonna edit the deadlines. Yeah, if the deadline appears on a date that's not when we meet, don't worry about that. It just means that I had to repost from another class, so the deadline may be different. Okay, we're gonna do this on um, next week as well, so don't panic. Okay, let's do that on Tuesday. The digital notebook is not due until when do we meet next week again? Not on the 28th, but after the 28th will be October. Oh, darn, we're moving to October already. You you guys have gone this far in the semester, so if I may say, you owe yourself, you know, to pass this. Are we behind? No, no. I try to keep my classes at the same pace because imagine how hard it would be for me if I had to prepare for different lessons, right? We're not. Okay. Yeah. There's even another class that's two lessons behind us. So with distance learning, our priority is not how much we cover. It's to support you on the things that we're covering at that moment. So that's all that matters. Yeah. Okay. Oh yes, honey. Of course. Once you're done with your discussion, go ahead, enjoy your weekend. Okay? Have fun. I'll see you next week. Bye, Brandon. Have a nice day, Leia. Bye, Christian. You're welcome, Erlinda. Have a nice weekend too. It's a 3-day weekend. Bye, Jesus and Enrique. Bye, Juliet. Hi, Jacob. How are you, Jacob? Let me know if you need help on how to join us in the text remind. You want to do that now? You have time? Oh, he left. Okay. Yes, Luis. How may I help you? Should I log into Delta Math or do you know the question? Oh, geez. No, it gives you different questions each time. So how can I help you, Luis? Are you gonna type? Are you gonna unmute yourself? Hi, Giovanni. I'll. Oh, really? Why? Never mind. Hi, Giovanni. I will try my best to find a way to send you a copy of the Desmos on paper or on PDF so you can view it. Okay? I'll try to figure out a way like by today. I'll ask around. I know some teachers use it too. Okay. Already. Okay, bye guys.